Hey everyone, if you have switched to Outlook Classic to New Outlook, you are wondering where is the attach Outlook button went. So today I will show you 3 easy super ways how you can attach an email to another new email in New Outlook. So let's jump on in. Method first is the quickest way and it called forward as attachment. This is basically the modern replacement for that old ribbon button that are used to. So here how it works. First open your new Outlook. So I have already opened it. Now go to your inbox. So I have already selected my inbox and I have a couple of emails here. Now find the email or emails you want to attach. Let me select this one, the first one. Now this email is opened in this ribbon. Top toolbar, you will see 3 dots, which is more actions. Click on it. Now you will see a lot of options over here. Now what you need to do is to select other reply actions. And it consists of 3 more options. First is schedule with Copilot. Second, reply all by meeting. And the last one is forward as attachment. So simply click on it and you will see that email will be opened in a new window. Here you can create your new email and your email which is already attached as an attachment. So this method works great if you want to forward one email to someone. They will receive them as attachment and can open them in Outlook. Now the second method is drag and drop method. Now for that I simply need to double click on it and click to the new email. Now this new email window also open. I put that new email side by side. Now what I need to do, if I want to send this email as an attachment, I simply click my mouse left button, hold it and drag to the new message. And you will see it will show me one conversation drop message here. Once I remove my button, that email is automatically attached with the new email. Once you have attached everything you need, fill in the recipient, subject line, your body, your message, and send it off. Super simple. Now the final and traditional method, which is always work for you, simply open the email, click again the 3 dots, click on print. Now here you can very easily print that email, but currently I'm talking about sending the mail as an attachment. So what I do, I change the printer to save as a PDF. Simply save it, select the location you need to keep your copy. So I have already one email saved on my desktop. This is, I cancel it, I close this as well. Now I will show you when I click on new email, I can simply click on the message tab, go to insert, attach file, click on it, and I have an option which is browse this computer. When I click on this, it will take me to my location where I have saved my file. So I have saved to my desktop. I scroll down and here is my email. Select it, click open, and that email is attached as a PDF. The only difference in this option is the email what you need to attach will be saved as a PDF. And that's it. These 3 simple ways to attach email to New Outlook. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Outlook tips. Let me know in the comments which method you prefer. Thanks for watching.